Hello friends, my name is Tejendra Pal Singh. I am business owner. I am NLPer. Today I will talk about NLP. What is NLP? NLP is a neuro linguistic programming. How it started in the early 1970s, Richard Bandler and John Grinder find out the way how they can help others to change their states of mind, to change any circumstances in their life. Richard Bandler was a student of psychology, and John Grinder, who was assistant professor of linguistics at the University of California in Santa Cruz, collaborated in a study of exceptional therapists. The three therapists who are on that time, who was doing great job in their field. John Grinder and Richard Bandler find out the way how they are helping people. He, they both make one system and they find the way how they can help the people. Then he invented NLP. He put a structure in a better way so that they can help others. This is the NLP. NLP is a neuro linguistic programming. Neuro is comes from our nervous system, neurons. In our brain, there are 80 billion neurons, and linguistic linguistic is language, how we are communicating with this word. Even when we are in silent mode, then we are also communicating. We are communicating verbal and non-verbal. Verbal is when we speak, then we communicating with others. Non-verbal, our posture, gesture, our action, these are non-verbal communicating. Communication is a better way to explain anything. We are communicating with with the word. We are communicating with ourselves. We are communicating with universe. How we are communicating with this word? We are communicating with our speak. When we speak up, then we are communicating. We are exchanging our word to each other. We express our feeling to others. Second, communication is communication with ourselves. When we talk with ourselves, then we are communicating with ourselves. Third one is communicating with universe. When when we when we are in some situations, like we are getting angry, we are in peace of mind, we are happy, we are joyful, these are state of mind, these are situations These are some situations we live in these situations in whole day, but we are communicating with these situations to universe. How? When someone is getting angry and he's sending message to universe, I'm the center of anger, please send me more anger. When we are sending this message to universe, then universe accept this and send us events, situations, circumstances, people, so that we can get more anger. After getting more and more anger, this become our habit. If you want to change your this habit, then you can use NLP techniques to change your habits, to change your states. NLP NLP is the study of human communication. NLP is the study of the structure of subjective experience. NLP is the influence on our mind and subsequent behavior. NLP is the way of modeling excellence. NLP is a powerful and practical approach to personal change. NLP brings about the change and self-development. So NLP is a very powerful method to change our mind. When our 80 billion neurons align with 60 trillion of cells, then we take action. When we take action, then we produce result. These results makes our life. We can change our result by changing our thoughts. If we change our thoughts, we can change our habits. Our habits makes us. First, we make our habits, then habits makes our life. So before making any habit, think about what impact will be on your life with this habit. After you can adopt this habit. So with the help of NLP, you can make any habit in your life. So after the making any habit, you will produce your result. You will get what you want to achieve. You will be happy. You will be in peace. Your family will be happy, and your life will be a joyful. Thank you very much. Please comment on my video and click on a bell button. Subscribe my channel so that I can make more video to you Thank you.